This will be going over the muscular system. So our muscle tissue is built from cells that have some pretty unique proteins, which are actin and myosin, and these are arranged in filaments that can contract, which means shorten, and relax. So when they're able to lengthen or shorten, it allows for movement. This contraction happens in response to your nervous stimulation. And in order for that to happen, there's a series of complex chemical interactions within the muscle cell in the nervous system. Now, the three main types of muscles within the body are going to be your skeletal muscle, your smooth muscle, and your cardiac muscle. Skeletal muscle, which you also may see is called striated muscle for the reason it looks striped under a microscope, attaches to bones and allows for movement by way of tendons. Your skeletal muscle can be controlled voluntarily, which means you think, I want to pick up this cup, so you do. It also can be controlled by reflexes, which are certain kind of built-in responses to stimulation. Each one of these skeletal muscles has an origin and an insertion. So the origin is where it kind of begins, and then insertion is where it ends at the bone. For instance, the biceps brachii of the arm has its origin on the scapula and inserts on the radius. So when this biceps contract and shorten, the elbow flexes and decreases the angle of the forearm and the arm. Now, your smooth muscle is under involuntary control of the nervous system and is found in the organs. You have smooth muscle in the walls of your blood vessels. These allow for constriction and dilation within the blood vessels to control blood flow. You also have smooth muscle in your digestive tract that contracts rhythmically to propel your digestive contents along its path. So this would be called peristalsis. You also have smooth muscle in your tiny bronchioles in the lungs, and these can constrict and dilate as well to control the amount of air flowing in and out of the alveoli. Your cardiac muscle looks similar to your skeletal muscle, but it is under involuntary control, and it's adapted to its function of pumping. We'll talk a little bit more about those unique properties and function of the cardiac muscle when we talk about the heart.